Oh, come on, man. Come get stuck. Go get it. There you go. Come on. Oh, no. Back up. Come on, you got it. I need to get something more interesting. You got it. Yay! You gonna go get him over there? Uh-oh. Let's not get that. The wheels fall off. Come right here. Let's leave that alone. Come here. No. Come here, we're gonna crawl this way. Come get the camera. Come on. Come on, you got it. Aiden! Aiden, where are you going? Come back. Aiden. Hey, Aiden. Aiden. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Aiden. What are you doing? Come here. Aiden. Don't get that. You want this? And put this over here. Aiden, no. Alright. Hey, come get this. Woo, you're on the move now. Alright. Now look what we can show everybody.